Welcome to Skydive Elsinore.
Hello.
What is your name?
Isis.
Isis. What are you doing today?
I will jump.
Nice. Going skydiving.
Yeah.
First time?
First time.
Awesome. Do you want to say hi to anybody watching this at home?
Hi.
Perfect.
Hi.
Do you want to go skydive?
I want.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
Me too. Me too. You ready to go have some fun?
Oh,
We're all nervous.
No, you always jump.
All right, let's go skydive.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this. Okay, here we are. Half a mile up, 10,000 feet to go. You are jumping out of an airplane. You ready to do this? Are you ready? You want to say anything before we jump? Any last words? Yeah. All right, sounds good. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish it could last forever. From this day on, nothing can stop us from getting back together.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. I love the sky, baby. 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 I love the sky, sky, baby.
Welcome back. You have fun? Very nice. Well, let me give you a hand up. You are welcome. You did it. You just jumped out of an airplane. Do you like it? Very nice. Congratulations.
Yeah. Good.
Good job. Very nice. You are the world's newest skydiver.
Big shout out to Drop Zone. Thanks for sharing.
Very nice.